The Audi A3 sports the looks and technology that draw buyers into the brand in a fun-to-drive package. What kind of car is the 2022 Audi A3? The A3 is a subcompact car made by a luxury automaker that appeals to the general public, much as the BMW 2 Series, Mercedes-Benz A-class, and CLA class. The A3 is a cute little car with sporty engines, superb styling, and lots of inside technology. Overall, we give it a 6.6 out of 10. What is new for the Audi A3 in 2022? For 2022, the A3 receives a new design that includes a fresh appearance, more power, a marginally larger footprint, more inside technology, and more safety measures. A 2.0-liter Turbo 4 that boosts output from 188 to 201 horsepower and torque from 221 to 221 lb-f powers, a 3 variants. Under the hood of the S3, a 2.0-liter Turbo 4 that has been upgraded produces 306 horsepower and 295 lb-f of torque, which is an increase from 295 horsepower and 280 lb-f. A 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox is connected to both engines. While the S3 has just all-wheel drive, A3 variants come with either front or all-wheel drive. According to the EPA, the maximum fuel efficiency is 32 combined, 38 highway, and 29 city mpg. What is the price of the 2022 Audi A3? There are Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige trim levels available for the A3 and S3. Prices for front-drive A3 Premiums start at $34,945 and go up to $52,945 for S3 Prestiges. A 10.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen, leather upholstery, power-adjustable and heated front seats, 17-inch alloy wheels with all-season tires, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are all included as standard equipment. Some safety measures are included with Audi, while others are extra. Each A3 comes standard with active lane control, automatic high beams, automated emergency braking, and the option to add adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitors with rear cross traffic alerts, automatic parking, and exit warning systems. 2022 Audi A3 styling. The new A3 has neat size and polished appearance. Its big trapezoidal grille and contoured body strike a blend between sportiness and luxury. Inside, a digital driver-focused layout gives a contemporary design that prioritizes functionality. We give it a 7 for both the interior and outside aesthetics. The 2022 Audi A3 uses a similar design language to the outgoing generation, but appears much more refined in general. The headlamp's teardrop motif is more prominent, and the grille is broader. Additionally, the body has additional shaping that doesn't appear busy. That body has slightly expanded. The new A3 is 1.5 inches longer than its predecessor at 14.8 feet, but its wheelbase is the same. Additionally, it is 0.8 inches wider and 0.5 inches higher, which both increase internal space. How safe is the Audi A3? That's yet to be determined by crash tests, which are likely forthcoming. Until we get those, we can't give the Audi A3 a safety rating. However, the A3 gets plenty of standard and optional safety features. The standard list includes automatic high beams, automatic emergency braking, and active lane control. Options include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitors with rear cross traffic alerts, an automatic parking feature, and an exit warning system. Which Audi A3 should I buy? We'd go for the $40,245 Premium Plus trim, which adds adaptive cruise control, wireless device charging, a surround view camera system, synthetic leather door armrests, blind spot monitors with rear cross traffic alerts, memory for the driver's seat and mirrors, an alarm, satellite radio, and automatic parking. We'd also be highly tempted by the S3 Premium Plus, which runs $48,745 and comes with the same equipment plus 18-inch summer performance tires, front sport seats, and bigger brakes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And as always, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.